Last month, I made over $18,000 with affiliate marketing using a brand new strategy that I'll be sharing with you in this video. This requires no money or experience, so it's possible for anyone to get started. I promise if you watch this entire video and then actually follow my strategy consistently, you're almost guaranteed to see results. It's honestly never been easier than now to start, so let's get right into it. So what even is affiliate marketing? It's when you promote a brand's products or services with a unique link that you're given. And if someone clicks on your link and signs up, you're going to make a commission. Now let's break down my updated affiliate marketing strategy that enabled me to make over $18,000 last month. The first step of my strategy consists of becoming knowledgeable in a certain side hustle or business that a lot of people are interested in. For example, a lot of people want to learn about dropshipping, YouTube automation, Amazon FBA, print on demand, stock and crypto trading, and the list goes on. So you could pick one of these side hustles or something that you're already familiar with. For example, let's say the side hustle you pick is print on demand. Well, now the next step would be to educate yourself on print on demand, and you can easily do this by watching free YouTube tutorials. Now the next step would be to find high ticket affiliate links related to print on demand. High ticket affiliate links pay you really well, anywhere from $30 to $300 per sign up. This is a lot better than promoting low ticket affiliate links that will only pay you anywhere from $5 to $10 per sign up. Now the next step of this strategy consists of creating theme pages on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. And you're going to use your pages to promote your affiliate links. Here's an example of what your theme page could look like. You're going to create cool content like this, which you'll learn how to do later on in this video. And the best part is you never have to show your face in your videos if you don't want to. Now the main reason people struggle with this is they're not able to get views on their videos. But thankfully, I've discovered a few tricks that can actually help you get a ton of views on your videos. But that was pretty much just a summary of how this strategy works. But now I do want to give you a full step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually start this today. So step number one is picking a popular business or side hustle. For this video, I'll pick print on demand since it's a pretty popular one. Now the next step would be to find affiliate links related to your topic. Now there are a few websites you can use to find different affiliate links. My favorites are impact.com, PartnerStack, Amazon Associates, and ClickBank. So you can go ahead and use all of these. But let's first try using ClickBank to find some affiliate links. So first, create an account with ClickBank, and once it's created, click on Affiliate Marketplace. Here you'll see a ton of different categories. I'll be checking out the e-business section. Now go through here and see if you can find anything good related to the type of content you'd be making. Now let's say you find a good affiliate program. Your next step would be to then click on Promote, add a nickname, click Create Hop Link, and now you can get your own custom affiliate link that can make you money. And you can track all your commission that comes through on ClickBank's dashboard page. Next, you can use PartnerStack to find some good affiliate links. So the first step is to create your account. Once your account gets approved, you can click up here on Marketplace, and here it'll show you a ton of different affiliate programs. You can also look through the different categories, and the great thing with PartnerStack is that their affiliate programs pay really well. Next, I'm going to show you how to use Impact to find affiliate links. And I do want to let you know that with Impact, it can be challenging to get your account approved in the very beginning. So you may need to establish yourself on social media first before you create your account. But anyways, you can create your account here with Impact, and you can use a link in the description of this video if you like. Now, it'll ask you a few sign-up questions before your account is created. Then it'll make you wait a few hours or could be longer until your account is approved. But once you do get approved, you'll be brought to this page here, and you'll want to click on Brands, find Brands, and now you can look through different categories and see which affiliate programs are best suited for you. They have a ton of really good affiliate programs. A lot of the ones I currently promote are from Impact. Now, for example, let's say you've chosen print on demand for your topic. Well, then you would need affiliate links for Printify, Canva, and Shopify, since these are the three main tools you need in order to start print on demand. So thankfully, Impact does have a Shopify affiliate program that you can apply to. As for the Printify affiliate link, you can just apply to that on the Printify website. As for the Canva affiliate program, you can just apply on their website. Now let's move on to the next step, which comes after you've gotten all your affiliate links. So what you want to do now is go to this website, Beacons, and create a link tree. This allows you to add all your affiliate links on just one page, and it will end up looking something like this. And you pretty much put this link in all your social media bios later on once your accounts are created. So I'll quickly create a link tree with Beacons and show you the result. Okay, so I put all my affiliate links here, as you can see. So this has all the tools someone would need if they want to start a print-on-demand business. Moving on now to the next step, which is growing your social media media pages in order to promote your affiliate links and make money. And before we do dive into my social media strategy, I did want to mention that I recently came out with an affiliate marketing course. In this course, I go over my exact strategy to make over $15,000 per month consistently. So if you're someone that wants a bit more guidance, I'll leave a link for the affiliate marketing course in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Now moving on, let's go over how you can promote your affiliate links on your social media pages. Now, there are so many different ways you could promote your affiliate links, but I'll be sharing the method that has worked best for me and enabled me to make over $18,000 last month. So my strategy will require you to first create an Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok account. And you're going to want your username to be the same on all your social media platforms. It should be related to what you're promoting. In my case, since I'm going to create content around print on demand, I'd make my username Print on Demand 101. The next step is to create a profile picture for your accounts. I highly recommend using Canva to create this like I did here. Canva has a ton of free templates that you can use, and I'll leave a link for it in the description of this video. Next is the exciting part, which is creating content to promote your affiliate links. Now, the content you create has to be related to the side hustle you've picked. In my case, that's print on demand, so I'll have to make content related to this. And honestly, creating content is pretty simple, but the more challenging part is actually getting views. But do not worry, since I will be sharing the strategy I use to get my content to go viral. But first, let me share with you step by step how to create good content. Now, the first step to this is to use Canva, which I'll leave a link for in the description of this video. Now, once you create your Canva account, what you can do is click up here, then search for TikTok. Alright, now you can make a TikTok video here. Now, the type of content you create has to be a mix of tutorials and also motivation. This way you can get people hyped up to actually start the side hustle. So here's an example of a video that you could make. The hook is POV, you start dropshipping. Now in my case, I would change that to POV, you start print on demand. And a video like this would likely go viral and get people motivated to start print on demand. Another video you could create is just a tutorial basically teaching people how to start the side hustle. Here is another good video idea. So it says how to start an online business in 24 hours. Now for example, you could change this to how to start print on demand in 24 hours. You get the idea. So you'll always want to recreate viral TikTok videos and relate it to your side hustle. Now in order to find videos like these to recreate, I recommend just searching for your side hustle on TikTok and scroll through all those videos, and I guarantee you'll find a few videos that have gone viral. You should also look at your competitors' pages and see what content they're making. They probably have a ton of really good videos that you could use for inspiration. And if a video has already gone viral on TikTok, it's likely that if you make it on your account, it'll go viral again. I always say it's so much easier in the beginning to just recreate viral videos, but then later on, once you gain experience, you can start experimenting and make your own videos. But anyways, here is a video I found after searching print on demand on TikTok, and it has gone pretty viral, so I'm gonna go ahead and remake it. Okay, so all I did here was use a few different background clips from Canva, and you don't have to add your text from Canva. You can go ahead and add that in the TikTok editor. And this is what 99% of your videos can be like, and they're really easy to make. Alright, so I'm gonna download this video and upload it to TikTok. Now I can add the text from TikTok, then I can add similar hashtags to what my competitors have put, and I'm all set. So here is the final result. I pretty much copied the original video that was posted on TikTok, and honestly it looks good, especially for a first video. And one thing I do recommend you do on your TikTok account is change your name to link in bio. So as you can see on my account, my name here on the top is link in bio. This is a great strategy because anytime someone is scrolling on the TikTok For You page, they're going to see your name as link in bio, and that's going to redirect them to the link in your bio. And hopefully they'll sign up through your affiliate links and you can make money. I also think it's worth mentioning that you can get really creative with the content you make. I recommend using the app CapCut to help with your videos. They have a ton of different templates and videos you can use, so definitely check them out. And in order to actually get views and be successful on TikTok, you need to be consistent. The platform rewards people that are posting consistent content on a daily basis. So I can guarantee if you're posting 1 to 2 high quality videos on your account every single day, there's a very high chance that you will be successful. Now keep in mind, you can't add a link to your TikTok bio until you reach 1,000 followers, so you are going to have to grind it out until you get to that point. But that summarizes how you can grow on TikTok. Let's move on to Pinterest. Now the good thing with Pinterest is that it's fairly easy to grow on, but it does take time. And my personal strategy is just to repost any TikTok I make onto my Pinterest account. So since I just made this TikTok video, I can now post it to my Pinterest account, and let me show you how I would do this. First, copy the link of the TikTok video. Now go to the website snaptik.app. Now paste the TikTok link here and download the video. And here, as you can see, it downloads the video without a watermark. So now you can post this video to your Pinterest account in the idea pin section. Another cool thing with Pinterest is you can actually repost other people's TikTok videos on your account. On my Pinterest account, that's pretty much what I've been doing. And always make sure you use Snaptik to remove the watermark before you upload the video. And of course, always make sure you credit the original owner of the video when you upload to Pinterest. So as long as you're consistent in posting at least one video daily on Pinterest, you'll see steady growth. Now let's move on to how you can use YouTube Shorts to promote your affiliate links. And really, the only thing you need to do with YouTube Shorts is just repost your TikTok videos on here, and in the caption of the video, you can add your affiliate links. And similar to Pinterest, another benefit of YouTube Shorts is you can actually repost other people's TikTok videos on your account. Just make sure you always credit the original owner of the video in your caption. And that summarizes YouTube. Let's move on to Instagram. Now it's pretty much the same process for Instagram. Whatever videos you post on TikTok, Pinterest, or YouTube, you can just go ahead and repost on your Instagram account. And that means you can also repost other people's videos on your account as long as you give them credit. And you always want to post your videos as Instagram Reels, since those tend to do very well. This is what I've done for my personal Instagram account, and it's worked out pretty well. Now, once you build a following on Instagram, another great way to promote your affiliate links is by posting Instagram stories. So in your Instagram story, you can just add your direct affiliate link, and that's pretty much it. And if you still need a bit more guidance and want to learn exactly how I made $18,000 last month with affiliate marketing, feel free to check out my affiliate marketing course in the description of this video. And that's all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.